Hi, my name is Rich Shashadi. I'm the Certified Pre-Owned Sales Manager here at Volkswagen of Freehold, and I'm here to talk to you today about the World Auto Certified program. Every World Auto Certified vehicle goes through a 112-point rigorous inspection from Volkswagen. Certain parts on the vehicle, such as the tires and brakes, have minimum requirements that they have to meet. Every World Auto Certified vehicle comes with a 2-year, 24,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty. Certain parts on the vehicles, such as tires and brakes, or wear and tear items, are not covered through this warranty. However, in some cases, if you purchase a late model Volkswagen, such as a 2012 or 2013 certified car, not in addition to the 2-year 24,000-mile warranty, but you also receive the remaining warranty that was on the vehicle. So in some cases, you can walk away with a 3 or 4-year warranty through Volkswagen. Every World Auto Certified vehicle comes with 24-hour roadside assistance. That's good throughout all 50 states. This roadside assistance, in addition to towing, also covers lockouts and in case you run out of gas. Every certified vehicle also comes with a Carfax vehicle history report, so don't be afraid to ask for that. The Carfax vehicle history report will show you the history of the vehicle, if it's ever been in any accidents, and also it'll state on there that it's a world certified vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with Sirius satellite radio, you are given a 3-month free subscription complimentary to Volkswagen. All of us at Volkswagen of Freehold hope that you have a better understanding of the World Certified program.